Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. So today our topic is social studies. Today we will learn lesson number 2 from social studies, and the name of the lesson number 2 is how the art looks. Okay, the art is very big and round in shape. We cannot see the whole art at one time, so we have to make a model of the art to study it. This model is called a globe. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and out of the 8 planets we live on the earth, and the earth is very big and round in shape. That's why we can't see the whole world at one time. We need a model of art, and this model of art is called a globe. Then let's learn about a globe. Okay, globe. A globe is round like a ball. It is fixed at a point and can be rotated on its axis. At one time we can see only a half of it. To see the other side, we have to rotate it. We can see different colors on the globe which show different features of land and water. The globe helps us to study the different places on the earth. However, we cannot show all the details of places on the globe due to its small size. To show all the places, we need a very big globe, but it would be difficult to carry from one place to another. A big globe also cannot show all the details, information, or individual area of a country. To solve these problems, map have been developed. You can see in this picture, this is a globe and it is round like a ball. This globe can be rotated on its axis. You can see only half of it. To see the other side, you have to rotate the globe. Okay, and there are different colors on the globe. Blue color means it's surrounded with water, and the other color means to land. With the globe we can study different places on the earth, but we can't see all the details of the earth due to its small size. To solve this problem, we need a map. So let's learn about map. Map. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it. Maps can be big or small. A book of maps is called an atlas. Sometimes we use very large maps. These maps can be hung on a wall. These are called wall maps. These wall maps are generally used in classrooms. In a map, the drawing of the earth is available, and maps can be very big or can be small. A book of maps is called an atlas. Very large maps can be hung on a wall, and these maps are called wall maps. And wall maps generally used in classrooms. Okay. Let us look at the world map shown below. It shows all the landmass and water bodies in different colors. The blue color indicates the water bodies, oceans. The other color indicates the land masses, continents. You can see in this picture there is blue colors, and this blue color indicate the water bodies or means oceans, and the other color indicates the land masses means continents. Okay, now let's learn about oceans and continents. Oceans. Very large bodies of water are called oceans. The 5 major oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic or the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Smaller water bodies are called seas, rivers, lakes. Ocean. Ocean is the big water body than sea. There are 5 major oceans. You can see here is the 4 oceans available in this picture. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the last one is Southern Ocean. And among these oceans, the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Which one? Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and the smallest ocean is Antarctic Ocean. Remember it. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean and the smallest ocean is Antarctic Ocean. And the other smaller water bodies are seas, rivers, and lakes. Okay. Now let's learn about continents. Continents. Continents are large areas of land on the earth. There are 7 continents on the earth: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Among these, Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. Separate maps can also be drawn for each continent. Continent. Continent means a large area of land on the earth, and there are 7 continents, and these are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. And among these, the largest continent is Asia. Remember it, the largest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. Okay, and I have a question for all of you. In which continent do we live? Okay, now let's learn about directions. There are 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. These directions helps us to locate places on a map. When we stand facing a wall map, the top of the map shows north while the bottom is always south. To our right is east and to our left is west. There are 4 sub-directions also. Northeast lies between north and east. Northwest lies between north and west. Southeast lies between south and east. Southwest lies between south and west. Directions. There are 4 directions. You can see in this picture, when you stand facing a wall map, the top of the map shows north, okay, and the bottom is south, and to our right is east and our left is west. Okay, there are also 4 sub directions: northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Okay, students, I hope you all are understood well. For better results, you also read the lesson at your home. If you have any problem related to this chapter, you can ask me. That's it for today. Thank you.